The wig still gives Rapunzel after 2 weeks. Like, excuse me? Like, it's still silky. I just really am so in love with this hair. Like, hey for lifers, welcome back to Life as Lee. I'm Alicia, and today y'all, we are doing our 2-week review on this MAMUSHOW AliExpress wig that I promised you guys I would give you. I am in love with this wig. The install is literally crusty and dusty. I'm literally gonna take this wig off after I record this video, but I promised I would give you guys this, so here we are. I did wear this wig on my ski trip, so this wig has literally endured rain. It has been in the snow from snowboarding, and it has just gone through some things over these past 2 weeks. So I wanted to come and tell you guys how the hair held up. Before we get into the video, of course, make sure you follow me on social media. Make sure you shop with both me and my sister's boutiques, which are both linked down below. And of course, hit that subscribe button to become a for lifer and turn on your bell notifications to be notified every single time I post. And of course, give this video a big thumbs up. All right, y'all, let's jump right into the video. Before we start, I do want to tell you guys this video is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own money, so I'm gonna tell y'all the real, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all the tea about this unit, okay? This wig is from MAMUSHOW on AliExpress. It's their HD transparent 613 blonde straight 13x6 lace front human hair wig for women, glueless Brazilian lace front wig pre-plucked. I ended up getting a 13x6 34-inch 180% density wig. So today is actually Friday, February 2nd. I got this wig installed on January 16th, so it has been 2 weeks and 2 days, so a little over 2 weeks. And like I said, I wore this on a ski trip, and y'all, it got wet. It went through snow. Like, I was literally falling during snowboarding, and it kept getting wet and stuff. And I'm surprised how good this wig has held up. In my unboxing video, I had mentioned that the wig wasn't soft. You guys, this wig is super silky and super soft. Even after 2 weeks, it's literally not greasy. It's a little greasy in the front because, you know, like there's product up here and stuff, but as far as the actual hair, after it was straightened and after she added like some, what do you call it, like hair, a little hair gloss on it, it was so silky, and it still is. It's literally not greasy, you guys. Like, the hair after 2 weeks is still silky, like lots of body. I love it so much. All right, y'all, let's get into the lace. Okay, so on the description of the wig, it says that it's HD. This wig is not no HD wig, okay? The lace is definitely transparent, but it melted so good when I got it installed. I loved it so much. I would say it's a good quality lace, so they get a thumbs up for me in the lace department. However, I don't like how they lied. It's not HD, it's definitely transparent. I'm not going to show you guys the lace up close right now because the wig is sliding back. Like I said, the install is time to come out, okay? Like, I'm about to take it off, so I'm not even gonna do the company like that and show y'all the wig right now because it literally has so much product and it's literally sliding back onto my hair. My biggest concern about this wig was the shedding. So let's get into the shedding, y'all. The shedding, the wig sheds. I am not gonna come to y'all on this camera and lie. However, it sheds a lot less than I was expecting. I thought I was gonna get what I paid for it, since I only paid $223 for this wig. I thought I was gonna get a wig that ended up with 3 strands left. But after 2 weeks, you guys, the hair is still pretty full. The ends still look amazing after 2 weeks. Literally, you guys. And I still feel like the hair is pretty full, even though it has been shedding. The shedding is not to the point where I'm like, do not buy this wig. But it does shed, and I feel like that's really expected with 613 hair. So I'm not going to knock them for that either. Even though the hair does shed a little, it doesn't tangle, which was also really surprising to me. Again, I thought I was gonna get what I paid for, but I actually am impressed. Like, it does not tangle at all, and I love that. As far as the ends of the hair is concerned, I did have my stylist cut the ends into like one length. I had her cut the ends, had her trim the ends straight so that like they didn't look so straggly. I honestly feel like the ends of the wig held up pretty well even after all of the shedding and things like that. However, I do want to say to you guys that this wig does have a lot of flyaways. As long as you have a wax stick and like a flat iron, you'll be okay. But I don't always have access to a flat iron, so my flyaways would just be showing in my pictures and stuff, and it was pissing me off. So take note that the wig is bomb, but it does have a lot of flyaways. I remember that I did mention to you guys that I didn't think the wig was big head friendly, but I asked the girl that did my hair, and she said that this wig, it has more than enough space for someone with a big head. In fact, she had to tighten it for my little head. So it is big head friendly. So I take back what I said in my unboxing video about it not being big head friendly. As far as the maintenance goes, I didn't really put any product in this hair besides like the wax stick at the top, and I was flat ironing it every other day, if not every day, I'm not gonna lie y'all, and it's held up pretty well. So I will say this is a low maintenance wig. Like I said, this wig is 34 inches and 180% density. I feel like it's very true to density. However, of course the density went down because it has been shedding, but I still feel like it's pretty full, like still, even after 2 weeks. This is a straight wig, so I didn't get to curl it, so I'm not really sure how it holds a curl, but I'm pretty sure with some holding spray you'll be okay. Overall, I give this wig literally an 8 out of 10, just because the lace is not HD and that's what they advertised, and it does shed just a little bit. It does shed, but I feel like the price is just unbeatable. So I would purchase this wig again, and I encourage you guys to purchase it as well. That concludes today's review of this MAMUSHOW 613 hair, which I am so in love with. I really recommend this wig. I love it so much. If you guys enjoyed this review and you guys love this wig on me, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more wig unboxing and more wig reviews, let me know down below. Be sure to check out my unboxing of this video as well as my black girl blonde hair tutorial that I did for this hair. And of course, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.